Gifts for car lovers, cool muscle car LED night light for kids' bedroom decors, 16 color changing remote birthday Christmas amazing present idea for men boys. The 3D night lights are made with 3D technology to create a gorgeous optical 3D illusion with a realistic 3D car-shaped design, which is novelty and charming. It's bound to amaze and impress your kids and guests. It is a unique birthday, Christmas or Easter gifts for kid or friends. Car 3D night light for kid, Attivolife sports racing illusion optical bedside lamp 16 colors, changing with remote control kids bedroom decor cool novelty birthday gift present for boy men toddler. The car lamp is made of laser engraving on an optical acrylic plate to show the optical amazing 3D illusion. The kid night light is a unique toy for all the car little fans and has a sense of whimsy. It's a great decor for the vehicle's themed room. Ammonite race car gifts, 3D car lamp with remote control 16 colors changing and timing function, car party supplies holiday Christmas birthday gifts for kids child teen. Amazing 3D race car visual effects, the vivid 3D effect brings a lot of happiness to the children, soft and not glaring, and can also ensure their sweet sleep. In fact, it's in 2D acrylic plate with etched lines. When illuminated, the transparent pattern looks like a 3D effect. Sunset lamp projection 16 colors changing light rainbow projector LED sunset light with remote mood atmosphere night. This multiple colors sunset lamp has 4 dynamic modes to simulate sunset colors. It creates a romantic atmosphere. Use the sunset lamp to soothe your emotions visually, allowing you to see the scenery in your room. Rainbow customize your room's atmosphere. This sunset lamp can throw a greater projection on the wall or ceiling. With this sunset light, the wall, ceiling and floor will be cast on by colorful circular lights.